difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get a strong and well-defined jawline, and if you're a girl, prominent collarbones. And if you're a girl, you can apply the jawline tips too. It will help, it will make your jawline look much better. Less sodium, more water for a well-defined jawline. As for me, I consume 4 liters of water a day and you should be consuming a gallon above. Well, that's around 4 liters. Well, I think a gallon is 3.4 liters if I'm not wrong. Earlier I used to consume 5 liters when I used to go to the gym and I used to take creatine, but sadly the gyms are closed now, so I cut it down to 4 liters. Now, talking about the less sodium part. Some people do a huge blunder here. They completely eliminate sodium out of their diet and then they get a condition called hyponathermia, and that can lead you into a state of coma or even cause death. So do not completely eliminate sodium out of your diet. Now, what you can do is keep your sodium intake intact, not much sodium, not too less, just the perfect recommended dose, and you can check it on the WHO website. I don't know the perfect dose, but I eat whatever my mom gives me. I don't eat overly salty food because then you retain water in your face and that's not good for your jawline. But do not eliminate sodium completely out of your diet. Consume salt. It is important. Now, what you can do is just cut out on unnecessary salty foods. Like Maggi has 1000 milligrams of sodium, so you can consume Maggi once in a while, not every single day, or else say goodbye to a good jawline. And please consume a bit of sodium. Do not eliminate it. Otherwise, hyponathermia is not good. And I don't want you all to go into coma or die, so yeah. Number 2 is to correct your bite. Now, if you have teeth like this is your upper jaw, this is your lower jaw, and it is slightly behind your upper jaw's teeth. So, like, these are your teeth, okay? Weird example because I don't have a skeleton and this jaws which doctors have, so I'll explain it, man. So, you get this is a perfect bite and your teeth and bite is awesome. As for me, I have an underbite which is not good and I haven't corrected it yet. If I correct it now, my jawline will look much better. So, there are 3 types of bite: an underbite, an overbite, and a crossbite. So an underbite is when your upper jaw is normal and your lower jaw is not a perfect bite. It is a bit recessed behind, like this. So when I was small, my permanent teeth were coming out before my middle teeth, and you know, I got it extracted and stuff, and my lower teeth are crooked, which is embarrassing to show, but my lower jaw's teeth, like teeth are crooked, and I need to get it fixed and correct my bite and my jaw will be much better. I didn't correct it till now, which is pretty bad. Do not follow my footsteps. Correct your bite now. Okay, an overbite is when your lower jaw is very much in front of your upper jaw. So it's just the opposite of an underbite. You get it? And the crossbite is a hybrid of both. So yeah, so if you have a bite to be corrected, correct it now, and that will help your jawline look much better. 1000 times better. Yeah, so I'll be correcting my bite around this year or next year, probably when I have time. Well, I do have time, I should correct it now. Practice proper facial posture. That is mewing. You should be mewing 24/7. Now, most people have been mewing their lifetime, that's why they have amazing jaws. But if you see a person who has a horrible jawline, it's because they do not have proper facial posture. Now again, I don't have a dental skeleton to show you teeth and gums and all. So mewing is when you have proper, like, how to explain? So your tongue, it's all like related to your tongue. Like when your tongue is touching the upper palate of your teeth, of the upper teeth, and it's sticking and it's pushing it, that is proper. That is a proper facial posture. And most people have bad facial posture when their tongue is touching their lower jaw's teeth. That's bad facial posture. And if your tongue is touching the upper palate of your teeth, that's good facial posture. So try to maintain that posture 24/7. Your tongue should be touching the upper palate of your teeth, and make it a habit. Like, I always keep it on the upper palate of my teeth, and yeah, it's helped my jaw a lot. So it will become a habit once you force it to stay on the upper palate of your teeth, and that will help your jaw in the long run. And also another thing is, if you're a mouth breather, please stop breathing through your mouth. Try to breathe as much as possible from your nostrils. See, if you're a mouth breather, that will condition your jawline to get recessed, and you know, a recessed jawline is not attractive. A nice forward and prominent jawline is pretty much attractive. So don't be a mouth breather, be a nostril breather. But that's the actual place you should be breathing from. Your mouth is not made to breathe. What am I saying? You get the point, right? Cool. Prominent collarbones are one of the most attractive features in a girl, and how do you get prominent collarbones? It boils down to two things: your diet and physical activity. Now, as per your diet, just have a balanced diet, eat clean, and you're good to go. And as per your body fat percentage, have a body fat percentage between 9% to 15 to 17%, and yeah, you're fine. Now, coming down to physical activity, you should be going to the gym, but as gyms are closed now, I'll get to that later. So, when girls go to the gym, they primarily focus on the lower body, which is awesome, but some even completely neglect their upper body because some fool told them, if you lift weights or train your upper body, you're gonna look like a man. Don't do that. Don't listen to these idiots. Benching, squatting, and deadlifting is perfectly fine, and you should do it because that will make your collarbones look more prominent. Now, the muscles which help make your collarbones look more prominent are your traps and your shoulders. And if you're going to the gym, good exercises for that is the inclined bench press, shoulder press, and shrugs. Yeah. And if you're at home, push-ups and, you know, lifting some heavy objects and shrugging will help. You can look those up on the internet. There are many home workout videos, and there are many home workout videos to train your traps and shoulders too, so check them out on the internet. And yeah, just have good physical activity, work out every single day, and you're not far away from those glorious prominent collarbones which are super duper attractive. That's it for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and the topic of discussion for today's video is, what is the most attractive feature in your body? Let me do down in the comment section below. As for me, my most attractive feature in my body is my hair, I guess. Yeah, my hair. My hair. It's always been my hair. Okay, if you haven't followed my Instagram yet, it's at Maximus_Arana. I post good pictures and I have a pretty decent feed. If you'd like to check that out, it's linked down below, and it's at Maximus_Arana. So yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace. So I leave it all behind. Wanna live a life.